All right, let's see. Next up, my list. Let's see. Grade updates, copies, planning. Okay, grade change form. All right, grade change form. Man, it's a PDF again. Boy, I really wish I had a way to edit a PDF. I mean, it'd be so much faster if I could just type the names and copy and paste some of my reasonings in there, because it's so similar, especially when they're making up these finals and stuff. It's crazy. Boy, I wish, that'd be a really great topic for this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. Hi folks, my name is Aaron Tomhave, and to solve my problem, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to use the Adobe Acrobat Reader free. So when you type in the Reader DC free, you get this option here. It is a free viewer. There's a paid version too that does some really neat things, but it's not necessary. I just download the free one. Just make sure that you uncheck these two boxes for the McAfee security software. Once that's done, my form is in here. I'm going to right click it the first time and do open with Acrobat DC. Once you're in the software, you'll see that there's a pen up at the top. When I select that pen, you can see I have my signature saved in here as well, but there's an option, an AB option, that automatically creates a text box in the form. So I can put my name, my class, and the student name, and it automatically creates the text box. When you scroll a little bit further down the page on this form, a lot of times there's boxes to check or things to circle or highlight. So what I can do is I can select the check mark or the X box. I like the X for this form because the box is pretty small. I line it up. You can see it highlights the box, and I click. It's already marked. I can go back to AB, and this is where it's really handy. So I would type something like, clearing incompletes for a missed SBA, and I'm already done. I can type the grade, maybe from incomplete, and the new grade is 87, right? I can then type the date, print this document, ink signature, and turn it into our secretary or the counselor, whoever needs to see that, and I can actually save this as a file with the information in it. So if I have other students who cleared an incomplete SBA, all that information's already in there, and I just change the student name and the grades. And that's it. All right, folks, that's it for me today. Remember, this and a lot of other information is available on the Teaching and Learning Hub in Canvas. There are digital learning resources there for this and a lot of other apps and applications and tech tips and tools. A lot of great things available for you, so go and check those out. And also, come back and hang out with us next time on Tech Tip Tuesday.